Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Singh and with me today these are the four extraordinary kids and they are school going students and today they are going to share their experiences about the online studies and offline studies. So students, today I'm going to give you very interesting topic, online studies and offline studies. What do you think? Because for the last 5 to 6 months you have been attending your online classes and today you have to put your views, you have to give your experiences, that what sort of experience you have got. Okay, so one by one you have to put your views. We start from you first. You all have to give an introduction and then we'll start the discussion. So from you we start.
So hello guys. So my name is Soham Alvia and I study in class 8th and thanks to sir and he has given to me this great opportunity. So thanks to sir.
Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Adsuni. First of all, I want to give to thank you to sir because for giving me a great opportunity to participate in GD.
Okay.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you to sir to give me this great opportunity. Myself Ashia Khan. I study in class 8 and I am very excited for this topic, online studies versus classroom studies.
Okay, that's good. Yes.
This is Saideep Karode and today I am going to participate in this GD and first of all thank you to sir to give me great opportunity.
Okay, so students, you all have given your introduction. You have spoken your name, Soham, Aradhya, Ashia, and Saideep. So you three studying at the standard and you study in 6th class. Okay, so for the last 5 months you have been attending your online classes. Last year you used to attend classroom classes. Okay, so the question arises that according to you, which is the best source of studies, online studies or classroom studies? Okay, we simply have to put our views. From you we start. Just say something.
Sir, according to me that the online studies is not good because whenever I started to do the online studies, so I don't understand in that and whenever I started to understand, so I started to forget everything.
Okay.
So according to me that the online studies is not good and if I study in the classroom studies, so we can enjoy in that and we can learn also, according to me.
Okay, now he's in favor of classroom studies.
Yes, sir, I think that classroom study is better than online studies because in online studies, the teacher can't pay attention all the children's and we can't learn more thing in online studies. Like we have to understand more and more things in classroom, but we can't understand in online. So that's my
Speaking mic.
I think that classroom study is better because before sometimes I see that I am my eyes is so bad. I think that I am attracted to mobile.
Yes.
I think online studies is better than classroom studies because
Okay.
Online studies we can save our time. In online study give us more flexibility.
Exactly.
Online in handicapped students, they do not go to school, so
They can learn from home.
they can learn from home. They can do online studies.
Okay, okay. So, I have a question, Ashia. You said that online studies is good, but these students are saying that offline, actually, the classroom studies is good. So, the topic is going to be controversial a little bit. I will ask you a few questions regarding it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
First of all, I am totally agree with Soham that in classroom we totally do attention and in online so first our network is not proper.
Okay.
The ma'am who is teaching, his voice is not clear.
Okay.
So offline class is good because in offline classes there is no value of time and we can't understand. So I am also in favor of offline classes.
Okay, you're also in favor of offline classes. So now in the discussion, here are three students who thinks that classroom studies is better than online studies. On the other hand, there is a girl named Ashia. She thinks that online studies is good. So let's know the opinion. Why do you think that classroom studies is better than online studies? As you have given few examples, we want to know more. Yes.
Sir, because as the Saideep said that the network issue that happens, so sometimes the teacher started to say, are you there? So the student will focus on the are you there, or he will focus on their study.
Absolutely right. Okay.
So what is this? So sometimes there is also the mistake of the network issue, and there is also the mistake of the teachers that they are taking the online classes. So they should explain
Actually, online classes is not it's a compulsion actually. It's not a need. It's not necessary actually. It's a compulsion. In compulsion, teachers are taking classes.
But sir, the teacher should take the online classes, but they should also concentrate to the student. Sometimes what happened that the students open the link and he switch off his camera, and then he started to play any game, and he started to watch the videos. So the teachers should concentrate on the studies, on the students' studies.
Right. Yes.
I think that Saideep said that online, I think network issue is more. Nowadays, I also attending my online classes. I get a very bad voice of teachers, and I think that teachers say that are you in the class, and we get lose our full time. I think that our class is of 1 hour, but teacher teaches 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, in 1 hour class, teacher is able to teach only 15 to 20 minutes, and the rest of the time, he just keeps saying, are you there? Okay, yes.
In online class, we improved our attendance, we improve our self-discipline, but in classroom studies, we are misbehave. And in offline classes, we are not go to school daily. So what?
Yes, she's saying that online classes can be attended from anywhere. You don't have to go to school for that. That is a good point that she's saying. That's great. Yes. So Asha, my questions to you: are you enjoying your online classes right now?
Yes, sir, I enjoy my online class.
Okay. So do you understand everything? Don't you face any problem?
No, sir.
Oh, that's good. Yes. Saideep.
One problem is also there. Suppose teacher screen share the screen.
Yeah.
So the students scroll on the screen. So the teachers disturbs while teaching.
Yes.
And
Not
some
the teacher disturbs. The entire class get disturbed.
yes, sir.
Yes.
And suppose one boy is attending class.
Yeah.
So he has unmute his mic. So other voice came from home, from kitchen. So it also disturbed to class.
Exactly. We don't get the environment of school as we the kind of environment that we have in the school we don't get in online classes. That is the thing. Okay. So you all are a school going student. Okay. And for the last 5 months you have been attending your online classes. So I just want to ask one more question about the mathematics. It is said that the maths, it is quite tough subject, and for this students need proper attention. So about this subject, what are your views? Just say something about it.
Sir, according to me, that if we are studying in the classroom studies, so sometimes what happens that we are not able to understand in the offline studies.
Yeah.
So how the teachers, how the students will understand in the online studies?
Yeah.
Even the students are not being able to understand in the classroom studies. So how they will learn in the online studies? And as you said that the handicaps one, they cannot join the school. So according to me, that they can also join the school, and they can also go to the school. Even they can also join the online classes, as well as they can also join the classroom classes. According to me, that the classroom class is the best source to learn everything.
Okay, about the mathematics.
So about the mathematics, I want to say that we cannot understand in the online studies. So we should sometimes we cannot understand in the online studies. So we started to our mind started to think other thing. So we left the online classes. So after that we started to play the games and many more. So we should not do like this kind of things.
Okay, Chali, that's good.
I think that maths is so hard subject. I think that maths is so hard subject, and other people's and other child's like my same age children, I also think that in online classes we can't understand maths because it is a subject that we should have to practice it. In online classes the voice is not come, and what is teacher writing on the board, we can't able to see that. And other students some naughty students make a voice and teacher would not do anything to them. If they talk about the classroom studies, so in the classroom if the naughty boy shouts, so teacher will take him to principal.
Okay.
I think online class is better when you are in doubt in maths. You can many videos upload in YouTube, so you can watch.
You
But
can
still
watch
we are not being
and
able to
you can watch the recorded session.
Yeah.
In the offline classes, we don't have recorded session, but in online there is good facility that the session is being recorded, so you can watch it later. That's the strong point. Yes, Ashia, could you use more? Yes.
In online, I agree with you, but in sometimes in rare case, some students are not go to school. So
Yeah.
what they can do? They attend only online classes.
But
When you are
but listen, in the lockdown, all the people were not having the money. So at the time, what would they do to get the net?
What did you say?
If in the lockdown, as the people were not having the money to get the net, so at the time, what did they do?
Yeah. The students who are not having cell phone, right? They cannot attend the online classes.
I think only some students, but many students have cell phone.
But if I talk about the classroom studies, so in the classroom studies, all the people, all the students, they can learn everything. So what about that?
I agree with you, but in Corona epidemic, I have a one option. We can do online studies.
But still, the teachers are taking also the classroom.
Nowadays, school are open. Not in 3-4 days, 3-4 months later.
But still, the people the teacher they did not take the much classes. And
Okay. Now the discussion is going into debate, and we don't have to make it controversial, actually, right? Okay, now let's know the opinion of Sandeep. Sandeep, about the mathematics subject, I just want to know. Yes.
Sir, as they both are fighting, so schools also provide the videos
Yeah.
of maths. Suppose the complaint of the student is that we can't listen the teacher, we can't see the clear board.
Yeah.
So the school is also providing videos, so we can also learn.
Do you think the video which is provided by schools, which are provided by the schools, are beneficial for students? Do you think really students are getting benefited with this?
No, sir, but we can attend other classes, personal teachers,
Okay.
so we can learn that.
Next questions to you.
in that.
That which is the subject which we can learn easily through online classes? Yeah. What do you think? Which is the subject that we can learn easily through online classes? Yeah.
Sir, according to me, that we can learn the social science easily, because that can tell us our future, our past one things, and we can learn that we can learn from that very very easily.
Okay.
And that can tell us all the stories, and we can learn also by the stories. And as we were the child, so we used to learn the stories. So as according to me, we can learn the properly.
Yeah, that's good. Yes.
I think that GK moral is the subject which we can learn from online classes easily, because it is no more long answer, short answer. It is only a one-word answer in that. I think that moral has not a long answer. I think 1 to 2 line answer.
And what about the subject classes?
Subject class.
Language classes. Hindi, English.
Hindi, English. I think that Hindi we can also understand easily from online classes, because in Hindi our language is also Hindi, and we can also understand it. And that fact that a voice is not clear,
Yeah.
but it happen in some areas. I think that rural area is the most happen. In like a city, it's not happen more.
Okay.
I think English subject we can learn online much better, because when some people are poor,
Yes.
they can see video through online, they can understand, they can learn English. So I think English subject is better to learn online.
Okay. She thinks English. You think GA, GK, and all, and you think social science. Sandeep, what do you think?
Sir, I am with Soham that social science is right there, because sir, in social science, teacher can't write on the board and explain us.
Okay.
They actually read in book and explain us. And remaining question answer they send of online through PDF. So social science is good subject to in online class to study.
Okay. Chali, that's very good, students. So what I have noticed that you all have given your views about online classes, and also actually earlier last year you were attending your classroom classes. Okay, so you have seen both the things. So I think you could speak very well, and I really appreciate your efforts that within few days you are speaking very well. You have really improved a lot yourself. And one more thing I would say that keep coming and keep learning. Okay, and just one thing in the last I would say about the online classes which I have noticed, because earlier I was also taking online classes and I was teaching the students from across the country. Students were attending the classes. Actually still the students are attending, but school going students earlier they were attending. So what I have noticed that if a student who is studious, okay, he and she can learn from anywhere. Okay, no medium is required for him, right? Actually, it is the concentration of the students that actually make him unable to learn anything. So if you are studious and sincere towards your studies, so you can learn from any medium, whether it is online or offline. Okay, so just put your best always. Now these days your classroom studies is not going on, so just take advantage of your online studies, your teachers, and whatever they are teaching, just try to learn, listen carefully, improve your listening, okay, and give your best. Chali, bahut achhi baat, you all have spoken very well. Clapping for all these students. And even clap for yourself, yeah. Okay.